Hello, everyone. I'm Leo. Nice to see you again. Last weekend, the weather was pretty hot, so my friends and I went to a famous beach in Prince Edward Island, Basin Head provincial. It takes a little over an hour to drive there from Charlottetown where I live, but the beach itself felt really nice, sunny, bright, and the sand packed with people. There were lots of kids playing in the water, and families having picnics or just relaxing along the shore. Here I noticed there were more Canadian natives, few Indians, and another ethnic groups. The proportion of locals is definitely higher, so it seems Canadian natives might enjoy beach days a bit more. There are a river that flows into the ocean, and one of the most fun things is that many people jump off the bridge into the water. The bridge isn't very low, and both kids, adults take turns jumping excitedly diving. Some kids looks only 6 or 7 years old, but jump without hesitation, fell into the water, and floated up, swimming back to the shore with a smile. I think that kind of fearless courage really amazed me. I couldn't resist trying a few jumps myself. It felt great. The moment I jumped, the icy water wrapped around my whole body, but soon the buoyancy lifted me up. Compared to fresh water, the sea is more buoyant, which made it feel even lighter. When I swam back to shore, I totally understood why everyone was having so much fun. The only downside is that seawater instantly goes up your nose after into your mouth. It's super short, like taking a big bit of shot. Even now, I can still recall the shot test. Maybe I haven't fully mastered the jumping technique yet, but it was really fun. Feeling of being whopped. I loved the feeling. It's very amazing. What what struck me most is that you almost never see this in China. Even so, I enjoy swimming in rivers and lakes back home. There are usually parents, lifeguards, or fountains to control the area. Kids rarely get to jump freely, and adults constantly warn them. Danger, don't do that. And if it's a provincial or national beach in China, it would probably charge an entrance fee, have fountains and signs everywhere saying no diving. But here it's completely different. Parents sit on the sand and watch their kids playing freely without constantly warning. Kids explore the world, learn by themselves, and build confidence and courage through each jump, developing a natural bond with nature. I also noticed that very few kids wear glasses here. Alright, that's it for today. Please forgive my not so perfect English pronunciation. I'm working on improving it. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you felt good. Okay, and see you again. See you here next episode. Bye.